The Goliath Tigerfish. Master of aquatic terror. The Goliath tigerfish reigns as the terror lord of the underwater world. While lurking in the depths of the Congo River, it's known as a fearsome predator beneath the water's surface. Its length can rival that of a human arm, armed with sharp teeth that can shred its prey to pieces. Renowned for its predatory nature, it can transform into a water phantom while waiting for its prey. Striking in an instant, like a swift and lethal lightning bolt of water, this hunter can capture its prey within seconds. With its captivating silver-toned scales emerging suddenly from the deep waters, this creature is beyond a mere nightmare.